I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Now here search and select Moosend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for the API key. Please visit Moosend API console. Now go to Setting on the top right corner. Then click on API key under Setting. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Method. Then choose List. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Moosend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Moosend. Here is the data that came into Moosend through the integration. Thanks for watching.